As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Weber Spirit 2 E-310. Quite a difference, huh?
Definitely. Right off the bat, the Charbroil is way smaller and more portable. It's only 20 pounds, while the Weber is a hefty 109 pounds.
Yeah, the Charbroil is definitely for grilling on the go. It only has 200 square inches of cooking space, compared to the Weber's 529.
True, but think about BTUs. The Weber cranks out 30,000 BTUs with its 3 burners, whereas the Charbroil only has 1 burner at 9,500 BTUs. More power for the Weber, for sure.
That Weber's got porcelain enameled cast iron grates. Sounds fancy. The Charbroil just has stainless steel.
Yeah, cast iron retains heat better, so you'll get better searing and more even cooking on the Weber. Plus, it's got those glamorizer bars, whatever those are.
Marketing, probably. But the Charbroil boasts TRU infrared cooking, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook food evenly.
Interesting. The Weber has what they call a GS4 grilling system with improved ignition and grease management. Sounds like they both have features to make grilling easier.
I noticed the Charbroil runs on those small propane tanks, the 1-pounders. The Weber needs a full-size tank.
That's a huge difference. The Charbroil is convenient for quick trips, but the Weber is better for regular grilling.
Price-wise, the Charbroil is way cheaper, around $150. The Weber is significantly more, like $630 or more.
That Weber price, though, it has 3 burners and a larger space. The quality and brand name are going to cost you.
So it really depends on what you need. The Charbroil is a great portable option for small cookouts. The Weber is a full-size grill for bigger gatherings.
Exactly. Think about how often you grill and how many people you're usually cooking for. That'll help you decide which one is right for you.
Good point. Thanks for breaking it down for me. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.